I thought my crypto journey was over. $3,200 gone, just like that. No seed phrase, no backup, no second chance, or so I thought. 2 weeks ago, I reset my phone. Clean start, or so I believed. When I reinstalled my wallet, everything was gone. No accounts, no funds, nothing. And then it hit me. I never saved my seed phrase. Now, if you've been in crypto long enough, you already know. No seed phrase means no access. That's the rule. That's what everyone says. So yeah, I panicked. But then I found something that most people completely ignore, and it changed everything. First thing I tried, logging back in the normal way. Email, password, nothing. Because here's the truth. Most crypto wallets don't store your data. No reset button, no forgot password. It's just you and your seed phrase, and I didn't have it. At this point, I started searching everywhere. Forums, Reddit, YouTube, and everyone kept saying the same thing. You're done. But one comment stood out. Check if your wallet is still connected somewhere. That's when everything changed. I remembered I had connected my wallet to a D app before. So I opened my browser, went back to the site, and somehow I was still logged in. Let that sink in. Some decentralized apps don't log you out immediately. If your wallet session is still active, you might still have your way in. From there, I moved fast, reconnected my wallet, sent all my funds to a new wallet, and this time, I saved the seed phrase immediately. But that's not the only way I almost got it back. Then I remembered something else. My old phone. The one I stopped using. If your wallet was ever installed on another device and you never logged out, there's a chance it's still there. So I powered it on, opened the wallet, and boom, everything was still inside. Here's what nobody tells you. You don't always need your seed phrase if you still have access somewhere. But if you don't, if there's no device, no connection, no backup, then yes, your funds are gone forever. Crypto doesn't forgive mistakes. There's no customer support, no recovery email, just responsibility. So do this right now. Check your wallet, back up your seed phrase, because trust me, you never think it will happen to you until it does.